Feeling stressed? Stiff? Or just overwhelmed by the idea of starting yoga? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through 5 beginner-friendly yoga poses that anyone can do. No flexibility required. These poses will help you relax, improve posture, and gently awaken your body. Pose 1. Child's pose. First up, child's pose. This is the ultimate resting position. Kneel on the mat, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Let your forehead rest on the ground. Breathe deeply. This pose relieves tension in the lower back, shoulders, and neck, perfect after a long day. Pose 2. Mountain pose. Next is mountain pose. It looks simple, but it's powerful. Stand tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Engage your core and press your feet firmly into the ground. This pose improves posture and teaches you how to find balance and stillness. Pose 3. Cat-cow stretch. Third is the cat-cow stretch, perfect for loosening the spine. Start on your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back, lift your head, that's cow. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, that's cat. Flow with your breath. This pose boosts flexibility and eases back pain. Pose 4. Downward dog. Now for downward dog, from all fours. Lift your hips up and back to form an upside down V. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. This full body stretch energizes your legs, strengthens your arms, and calms the mind. Pose 5. Seated forward fold narrator. And finally, the seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward gently from the hips. No need to touch your toes. Just breathe and relax. This pose soothes the nervous system and stretches the spine and hamstrings. Start with just 5 minutes a day and your body and mind will thank you. If this helped, hit like.